The DGRS Garden Railway at the Colorado Railroad Museum was started in September 1994 with a simple 10-foot diameter loop of track as a demonstration of what was to come. Trackage now consists of 7 track power loops, including a large switchyard, several passing sidings, and 3 raised loops for live steam operation. There are 7 bridges, 1 curved trestle, and 1 pedestrian/train bridge, all built by DGRS members. Water features include a pond with lily pads and goldfish, fed by 2 streams and a waterfall. Dwarf Alberta spruce and boxwoods are used for the forested areas with a mixture of annual and perennial flowers. Several different types of ground covers are used in many areas. Buildings are a mixture of kit-bashed or scratch-built in both wood and plastic, and include a roundhouse, hotel, stable, coaling towers, hardware store, saloon, several houses, and depots.